Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss with you about the atmospheric pressure, and as we know that atmospheric pressure is actually everywhere, and there is a constant value of atmospheric pressure, so you can feel atmospheric pressure everywhere, but the only drawback is we cannot see it directly. So today with this experiment I will show you how to observe atmospheric pressure, and I have a few things with me, like I have this bottle. So I will show you how atmospheric pressure actually works. Yeah, so I have this bottle, this empty bottle. There is nothing in this bottle, and I make one hole in this bottle. If you will see, there is one hole in this bottle. So with the help of this bottle I want to demonstrate this experiment and wants to show you about the atmospheric pressure. Yeah, so what I will do here, I will just fill this bottle with water. I make colored water just because so it will be easy for you to understand. So this is colored water, and if you will see, actually water is going out from the bottle, but as I close this bottle, so you will see water is actually not going out. But if I will open again, slowly and slowly, so see, water is going out. If I will close, water is not going out, but if I will open this, water is going out. Why? Actually, why this is going on here? What's the reason behind this? Why when I close this, why water is not going out from this hole? Why only when I will open this, then only water will going out from the bottle? So what's the reason behind this? So actually the reason is the atmospheric pressure. So at this point, all atmospheric pressure are only at the surface of this bottle. So at this point also, where there is a hole, at this point or at this point or at any point, it will be the same. So what will happen actually when I will open this, why water is going out from this hole? Why water is going out from this hole? Let's see again. You will see water is actually going out, and now I will close this and water is not going out. So why this happens like this? So the reason is, if I will open, what will happen actually? Now this whole pressure is only at the surface, but when I will open this bottle, the whole pressure will go inside and will push this water to flow from any region. And because there is a hole here, one hole here, so that this is the reason water will just move out from this hole. So if you want to see again, so it's closed, so water is not going out, but if I will open, water will go out from the hole. I will close again, and then water will not move out. So all are generally at pressure equilibrium. But if I will push this bottle, if I will press, so water will go out. And why? Because in this case, more pressure is generating inside the bottle, and which is trying to move some liquid from the hole. So this is the experiment. Yeah, I want to show this again. If I will put water, here, water is going out from the hole, but when I will close this, water is at rest. So this is our experiment. Yeah, this is atmospheric pressure. This is because of atmospheric pressure. So in the next video, I will tell you about two holes. When we have one bottle and there are two holes, so either we have two holes parallel or one below or above the original hole. what will happen actually. So this is for one whole bottle, what is atmospheric pressure. Now later I will discuss when we have the two holes parallel and or either one above or below, what will happen. So if you want to see what will happen with the two holes and with multiple holes, check out the next video. Bye.